Hey yo, what's good my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we'll be reacting to someone new. First time hearing of them. So guys, today we'll be reacting to a group called Big Bang. The song is called Bang Bang Bang. And I heard they are the king of K-pop. So, one question. Do anyone who's watching this video knows our Jamaican legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments. And without further ado, let's dive into what the Big Bang have to say here. Peace. Hey, the vibe, the vibe, the vibe, the vibe. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, hey. Oh my god, the vibe, man. The beat, bro. The beat is sick. The beat is sick. Back up. This is so good. The music is so good. Hey, blah, 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 blah. Nice. Absolutely nice. Guys, what a beautiful video. This video was done 2015 and it still slaps today, bro. Oh man, yo, the creativity is on point, man. On point. Oh, that's crazy. That is crazy, yo. The video is sick, bro. The cars here is sick. The dudes here are sick. Everything is freaking good. Ah, hey. Oh my god. No way, man. No way. This song suits the title so much, man. So much, bro. Bang, 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 bang. Rap, 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 rap. Yeah! Beautiful music. Sweet song, man. Oh my goodness. Oh! Hey! Hey! Oh my god, yo, great! Yo! This is one of the most beautiful music videos I've seen since 2025, bro. And also one of the craziest ones as well, man. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm loving this so much, yo! Dog! Great, bang, 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 bang! Bomboclat! Yo, this suits the song so much, bro. Bang, bang, bang. Yo, the song is banging, man. This song is banging. Oh my goodness. Oh, come on, bro. Do better than this, bro. Anyways. Flames, bro. Flames, man. Flames here. Flames, bro. Oh, back up. This is crazy. Way too crazy. Like, supernaturally crazy, bro. Oh my god, this music video is so dope. What? Here are naturally beautiful, bro. Bro, I'm not a fan of bikes, but when I saw these bikes, I am now a major fan of these type of bikes, bro. The bikes are so good, bro. The last time I seen this bike was in Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, bro. Or in Terminator. That's the last time I seen these bikes. And here in Jamaica, bro, I've seen these bikes like every now and then, but they are not so popular in my country. The bikes are crazy. Like, ain't no freaking way. These bikes are so beautiful, man. It's time to party! Hey, no way, bro. No way. This video is rocking the skies, man. Oh my god. Hey, the king of pops. The king of fucking pops, bro. Ah, look at those cute cuties. Oh man, oh my goodness. Yo, the party's on, man. The party's on. Where's the party at, man? Like, who the fuck edited this video, bro? Why are these guys so good? Naturally good? Bro, I'm feeling good. I'm having this very good, ravishing momentum. I am feeling good in this day. Bang, bang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bang, 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 bang. Crazy. Absolutely crazy, bro. The video is insanely good, bro. So energetic, so enjoying, so good. Absolutely good. The song is dope. The quality is dope. Everything is just a natural 10 out of 10 for me. Like, bro, I am feeling good today. Thank you so much for this video, man. Hey, shout out to our girl, Pop on the Island. She was the one who introduced this video to me, and I'm feeling good that I've checked out. So if you guys want to see more, please state them down in the comment section that I should react to next by Big Bang. I'm feeling good. And if you guys want to check out some of Pop on the Island's channel, the link is pinned down in the comments, so feel free to give her a look out, bro. She's the one who introduced me to this content, and I'm feeling good, bro. Shout out Pop on the Island, baby girl. You are doing great. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Peace.